In this video, I am going to show you how to use bullx Telegram bot. The first step is opening the bullx bot on Telegram. After that, hit the start button and you'll see a message telling you that you've been placed on the waiting list for early access. To get early access, head to the search bar and type in bullx access code. Click on the result for bullx early access, and it will take you back to bullx. Here, you'll get your login link. Click on it to open, and it will redirect you to the main bullx page. Once you've gained access, this is the main interface you'll see. To start trading, go to the Wallet Manager and add some Solana to your bullx wallet. In the Wallet Manager, copy your wallet address, then send Solana from another wallet. For example, I have my Phantom wallet here. Simply log into Phantom, select Send Solana, make sure you have a balance, and enter the amount you want to send, then paste the bullx address. Once that's done, head back to the bullx main page and you'll be ready to trade. You can buy any coin by selecting it, then entering the amount to buy and clicking the option to complete the purchase. And that was it. Subscribe, it's free.